Hey everyone, it's Sunday, August 9th, 2020 at 3:09 p.m. And right here is an air-cooled 52-inch ceiling fan. And I don't know if it's manufactured under the Litex label, but I got enough confirmation that it was manufactured by Aircool, given the tag at the top. And this is the only one I've ever seen like it. It would make for a major childhood fan for me. I really love the black and brass combination. And here's the backstory to it. I got this fan at Fanimation spring of 2018 from Pete Duffy. Thanks again, Pete. And it's funny, I traded him the fan that was in here, a couple fans before this one, the carousel for this one. So it's amazing how it works out. And I did not even have to change the mounting bracket at all on it, but zooming on the canopy right there. I apologize for that ring right there that King of Fans Helmsman Hugger used to hang there. See that sideband? That's this fan had copied the ever popular Casablanca Spirit of Saturn. I used to have one, but I ironically traded on the same Fanimation trip to Matthew Cody, who is enjoying it now, and it needs some work done to it, so that's more time and effort that I could have invested in it. The actual Casablanca, mind you. But see, it's got, builder vents right there, and U-shaped blade arms. It's 4-blade only, and I do have one that's 5-blade only, and uses these exact same blades, and these are not gloss, they're of a satin finish. And the switch housing is detachable. See a little screw right there, that's a dead giveaway that it is. Made it easy to add a light kit on it. I like it just 4-on-4, 4 blades, 4 lights. Right there you can see the reverse switch. Yeah, it gives the fan kind of a Art Deco look to it. But let's flip the light on, show the light on the situation. Yep. There she is, illuminated. Okay, now we're going to rev it up first on low. Turn the light off so you can see it better. It's got a nice aesthetic low to it. And medium. Starting to gain more momentum. Even though I'm like 3 feet away from the blade tips, the circle of it, and starting to feel a little bit of air, but anyway, let's bump it up to high, shall we? Wow, this thing is a really good air mover on high. It's very poised too, doesn't wobble, doesn't shake. Maybe slightly, but it's kind of the typical stuff, but nothing. I would say that this is pretty well poised. Zoomed out enough here. Okay. Spin down. Power down. Watch it spin down here. Bearings are really good on this fan. And I like how it's Pittsburgh sports themed, like Steelers themed, Pirates themed because of the black and the brass. And it didn't initially come from that region. As many of you know, I am from that region. Those watching this video. I want to say this fan was like one of the showroom grade models that Air-Cool produced in the late 80s. And I like how you could just put any kind of light kit you wanted, but I think this definitely looks very becoming on the spotlight kit, mind you. Yeah, it's really... Okay, fan has ceased operation. This concludes our broadcast day. Thank you for watching. More to come.